Welcome back, guys, to CK Vids. We're gonna be doing an unboxing thing for my PS4. So I'm gonna unbox this. No, rip it apart. Okay, so now we ripped it apart. So now we're gonna get to the next one. I just got this just now from GameStop. I'm in Canada, I'm in Michigan right now, so yeah. So we just got this right here. I'll show you after. But we did that. Now we're gonna get the charger because my dog bit my cords for my mic and my charger. So now I got a new one and I'm ready to play. So now I'm just gonna get these things out for my charger. Then I'll show you after. So we're gonna go to the mic right now. Okay. I never knew how to do this. Deal with it later. Oh, we know the scissors. Scissors. Okay, so carefully take that apart. And there. So now we just took that apart. So now I'm gonna go to the mic. I made a mess. Okay, so we're gonna go to the mic now. And we're gonna the mic right here. Just gonna unbox it. So basically, I don't know what this is, but it's probably important here. So we're gonna take this out. Don't need that. So this is a new mic. I don't want to break it or anything because this was expensive. Like $100. So yeah, I did not want to break that. Should I use this scissor? Nah, I'm not gonna use this scissor. I don't want to break it. Unboxed it. I'm just gonna take it out. This is actually very soft. I would recommend getting this for a mic. Get this. This is actually good.
Fusion,
yes. So I'm gonna just unwrap this. Take that off. Take the other one off. This one's harder to take off. Okay, so once we're done that, so you can see it's pretty cool. Soft too. That great. So let's see what this is in the box. I'm guessing this is for the mic. Mic hooks up right here, I believe, or it's the charger. I don't know. So yeah. Okay, so what is this? This is the mic. Okay. Alrighty. I'll catch you back once everything's set up. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm filming now, so this is what it looks like. You have to plug it in here, I guess. You have to plug it in there, and then this is the mic thing. So it's very nice. I'm gonna test it out. So I'm gonna do a video later on the PS4 maybe. See what it looks like right now. Oh, okay. That's my account right there. Like the camera. I don't know if I'm gonna use the camera for seeing me and stuff, but yeah, I'm just getting my controller charged for the video. I don't know if I'm gonna do the video, but stay tuned for that. Put the post notifications on, and peace.